Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to lesson 4 of Create with Canva. In today's lesson, I would like to show you how to make a channel banner using Canva. So before that, I would like to say that please make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow my podcasts. And make sure you check the description box as well, because sometimes I always give important information in that box. So this course is for helping you growing your YouTube channel by uploading great thumbnails, great intros, great logos, great channel banner, and you can even impress your friend, or you can also impress your listeners by making a beautiful podcast cover or a video message. So that's why we're doing that. So I hope this is very helpful to you. And today I would like to show you how to make a YouTube channel banner using Canva. So let's head over to Canva. Okay, so now we are here at Canva. Now let's start by clicking over here and create a design. Then write YouTube channel art. And then click over here at Go. Okay, now click over here at YouTube channel art. But you can also click any of these if you are related to it. But now I'd like to click over here because these all are the same. Okay, so now let's go to Canva. Alright, so now you can see many type of templates over here. So for start, what you need to do is to change the color of the background, because today I'll be showing you how to make your own. So this is the size for making a Canva channel banner. So you won't understand for now, but I'd like to tell you that the size is 2560 into 1440 pixels. Okay, so I had to head over to Google because I don't really know that. Alright, so now let's start by clicking over here on the screen. And then let's change the background by clicking over here, like this. So make sure you use any type of light color or even dark color, but do not use white, okay? Or black. So now we'll be using this pink color over here, like this, and it's done. So now let's go and head over to text. Let's click over here at text. And then let's click over here at add a heading, like this, and then write your heading. So now I'll be clicking on the heading and then writing Anisa's Creative World. Okay, so now what you'll be needing to do is click over here, like this, to put it on the middle, because the middle side is the safe zone. So now click over here to change the font, like this. And then you can use any font you like, but now I'd like to see a calligraphy font. So I'd like to click over here. Okay, so now I'm using my favorite for like all the time is this one called Charm. Alrighty, it's done. So now let's put it over to the middle by clicking over here and then here. Or you can also do one thing, that clicking over here at 3 dots and then click over here at position and then click over here and middle if you like. So that's what I did. And then it's done. Now to get the safe zone that it is in the safe place, what you'll need to do is to find a template on Google. Okay, so now we've found a template, and this is the safe zone over here. So please write the safe zone size in a paper because you need to remember it. Okay, so I've written the safe zone size on a paper, a pink paper. So now let's head over to Canva again. Okay, so now we are here at Canva, but what we need to do is to go another tab on Chrome and then go to Canva again. And then now what you'll need to do is to click over here and create a design like this. But only now we'll be making our own custom dimension. Okay, but for going custom dimension, you need to click over here at custom dimensions, like this. And then you have to write a width and a height over here and here. So let's click on the width to be 1, 5, 4, 6. And the height to be 4, 2, 3. But yes, only that this is a pixel, alright? So make sure that it is pixel. So now click over here and create new design. Like this. Is in the designs tab. Alrighty, so now we are making a box right now. So now let's click on the screen over here, like this. And then let's change the colors by clicking over here, like this. And now I'll be using this color from my palette. Alright, so now we'll be downloading it up because this is the save zone. So let's download it up. So I'll be choosing the file type to PNG right now. And let's tap download over here, like this. Okay, so it has downloaded. So now let's head over to, now let's close this page and head over to the first page. By clicking over here, then cut, and over here. Done. So now let's upload the photo by clicking over here at uploads over here. Okay, so let's start uploading by clicking over here at upload media. And now you need to do some prompts by choosing from the gallery or browse some files, or you can also drag and drop if you're on a computer. So let's upload some media. So now I'll be uploading from my device, but I'll be uploading that box that we have just made as a photo. Okay, so now this is the design that we're going to pick. So let's click on that. And we're here. Now let's click on the design because we really need it. Now make it a little bit bigger. So if this box is in the middle, that means that this is the right position. So click over here at positions and then clicking over here at middle, like this. So if this text is on the right place, like on the middle of this box, and then we're in the safe zone. So getting the safe zone is very important, okay? Alright, so now think that we have just made a channel banner. So now let's click on the text to correct the text size. So now so the text size is okay, but we need to bold it out so that everyone can see. And then we can also change the color of the text. So now I'll be changing the text color to purple. Yep, we got it. Alright, so our text color has changed and we have just made a channel banner. So this is our channel banner, which is done. So there are a few things to remember. We've made this box to get that safe zone, or else whatever writings you write, whatever thing you say, the people won't see. That's why. So now let's add another text right over this side. So now let's click over here at text, like this. And then click over here and add a subheading, like this. Now let's write our text. But first we have to resize it out and put it on the real side. And it's done, I think. So now let's write our subheading. Okay, so now we have written new video every Friday. So now let's change the text color to purple again. But make sure that you use 2 or 3 colors on a channel banner so that it'll look perfect. Okay, and we're done. So now you can, if you want, you can add some elements on these 2 sides if you like. So now let's add some elements and see how it looks like. So for that you need to click over here at elements, like this. And then now we can use some elements. So now I'm searching for a flower, actually. Okay, alright, so I think we got flower. Let's search for flower and we can see many types of flowers in here. So now we'll be using this red flower by clicking on this one. And then I'll be using another flower. Alright, so now put it on side by side. I am putting one flower over here and the other over here. Alright, so our one channel banner is ready to go to our YouTube channel. So, now let me change the text colors, please. Okay, so I've changed the second text to red actually. And now I need to bold it by clicking over here at B. Like this. Alrighty, so this is our finished end of our channel banner. So now let's download it out by clicking over here at download. And click on here at download again. And then download it as PNG, or you can also download it as JPG. But I recommend JPG because PNG doesn't work everywhere and JPEG is not very large. That's why I click over here at download. Let's download it out. It's downloading. It may take a while and it's done. It's downloading the file and it's done. So now let's go back and see how it looks like. Alrighty, so this is our channel banner, how it looks. Right, so now I'll be showing you how this channel banner would look like on a mobile device or on a computer. Alright, so let's head over to Chrome and YouTube. So this is how my channel banner will look on a mobile device. As you can see, this is my channel. I have only 78 subscribers. So this is my channel banner, and my channel theme is here like purple. Alright, so let's now see how it'll look like on a computer. Alrighty, so this is how my channel banner will look like on a computer. So let's see, on a computer. So this is my channel banner on a computer. And if you watch YouTube on TV, then it'll look just the same like on computer, but only a lot bigger. So as you see, why we have chosen a safe zone for our channel banner. Alright, so now I'll be showing you one more thing. Alright, so now we are here at Canva. So now I would like to show you how to make a profile photo using Canva. So now let's start by clicking over here and create a design. Okay, so always remember that you need to start by clicking over there and create a design to start creating a design. So now let's write profile photo. Or you can also say channel icon if you like. So let's write channel icon. And then click go. Okay. Okay, so now I write YouTube icon. So now let's click over here. Let's click over here, there, at YouTube icon, like this. So we go to YouTube icons. Alrighty, so this is the size for YouTube channel icon. So let's quit this animation thingy because we're not animating anything. So let's click over here. And then click here at done, as we are not using any animation. Alright, so now let's go there in templates because it always starts with a template. So there are many type of templates over here, which are photos or even videos. So you can use these templates, or you can also upload a photo. So let's click over here at uploads, like this. And then click over here at upload media, because now I'll be uploading a media to resize it. Click over here at device, and then click over here at files, like this. Alright, so you can either use from here, or you can also choose gallery, files, or anything else. So now I'll be choosing the gallery. Okay, so this is my doll album, and from here I'll be choosing a doll photo. So this is the wedding picture of Liam and Rihanna. So now I'll be using this photo over here as a profile picture, because this is my channel, which is all about dolls. So let's click on the photo. And then let's put it on the size, like this, and like this. Alrighty, it's done. Let's adjust it out. You can want. We won't. Alright, so this is how it'll look like when we adjust it out. So now you can add some elements if you like. So for adding some elements, let's start by clicking over here at elements. So one thing that you always choose is a circle for a profile photo, and I really like it as well. So that's why let's search for a circle over here. Okay, so we have searched for a circle, and now I'll be choosing this one because this one is beautiful. So let's make it bigger so that it'll fit over there, and then let's change the color by clicking over here like this. So now I'm choosing blue because blue is cool. Or you can also choose this purples as well. Okay, so I've chosen purple actually because this is beautiful. Alrighty, so now click over here at download. And then click over here at download as well. And then download it PNG. Or you can also download it JPEG because YouTube always supports small size file. Alright, so now click over here at download. It's preparing. Alright, it's done. Let's download it. And it's done. So now let's go back and see how it looks like. So creating a profile picture is actually really easy. So now let's head over to gallery to see it. So here is it, our new profile photo. So let's see how it looks like if I apply it. So this is my profile picture, and now I would like to show you how it looks like on computers and mobile devices. Let's show you. Okay, so now we are here at YouTube, and look over here, our channel icon. So you can see that there is a purple outline over here, and everything is purple over here. Alright, so this is how my channel looks like right now. Now let me show you how this channel icon looks like on a computer. Okay, so this is how my channel icon looks like over here on a computer. So suppose I'm on a computer, because I'm not on a computer. This is actually my phone with a desktop site on. See? Like this. Look, desktop site is on. That's how I always do my videos actually. Okay, so now that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and make this video a big thumbs up. And your homework for today is to make a beautiful channel banner for your channel and then comment down below so that I can see and subscribe to your channel as well. And yes, there is the lesson 5 coming out on the next Friday. And I hope you stay tuned for the lesson 2. And then, surprise, you're getting your certificate. I hope you liked today's lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.